Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In today's Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can create a gold text effect using Photoshop in a matter of seconds. So we want to start off by writing out some text in the middle of our canvas, and then we want to head over to our text layer. We're going to right click and select blending options. This will bring up the layer style dialog box. And what we want to do is start by changing the color overlay. So you want it to be a yellow. So a good yellow to use is F8 C028. But any bright yellow of your choosing will work really well for this effect. Select OK. Then head over to Bevel Emboss. And we want to ensure that the style is in a bevel. Technique is smooth. And we're just going to increase the depth all the way up to 1000%. And then we're going to increase the size to become 14. In fact, 13. We're going to keep the angle the same, so that's 90. We want to keep the altitude the same, 30. And we're going to change the gloss contour. So we wanted to use the double ring contour. And then all of the rest of the settings will remain the same, and then select OK. And there you go, we've created a quick and easy gold text effect using Photoshop in a matter of seconds. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.